Let's make the Kraken Amok. This drink is going to be made in the glass, and the official glass for this one is a hurricane or a goblet. I don't have any goblets, but I do have tulip glasses, and I think those would work as well. But today I'm going to use a hurricane. So I'll set this one aside. The first thing I'm going to put in our glasses is our juices. We need 3 ounces each of orange juice and pineapple juice. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. 1 ounce of blue curacao. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 2 ounces of apple brandy, and I am using Applejack. Applejack is a type of apple brandy. 2 ounces of it is 60 milliliters. And 2 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Note that the recipe does not say to put in ice, but if you look at the glass, you can see it's only half full. So I'm going to add some ice because I'm going to like it a little bit chilled anyway. Is this the right time to do it? That's a different question. Next, the garnish. The garnish is, let's see if I can get past my bottles here, to my silver cake shimmer. This is edible stuff. You can get it online. There'll be a link down below if you want to order some. And I need 1 teaspoon of it. That's a little big. I'm going to get my half teaspoon. So I'm going to put in 2 half teaspoons of my silver cake shimmer. 2 half teaspoons is 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters. I'm going to give that a stir. And because I want, I'm going to add a little bit more ice just to fill up the glass. Perfect. And the other garnish is a couple of apple slices. And I did put them on a little skewer here, so I didn't know how to make them stay on their own. And finally a straw, which I need to grab. Straw in, that's it, the Kraken Amok. Drink with good spirits.